How to convert video to MP4 on Android video format guide. So hello guys, in this quick tutorial video I will tell you how you guys can do that. So for that our first step will be you guys will simply go to Chrome or any browser in your phone. So I will simply click on Chrome. Once we click here you guys will simply open new tab. Now here you guys will simply search for video to MP4. So I will simply search for video to MP4. Now here you guys can see the first website, cloud convert MP4 converter. So simply click on that. Once we click here you guys will see select file. So simply select file. Also you guys can see convert, and also you guys can see MP4 and 2 and also arrow. So simply click on that arrow. Now here you guys can select format like AVI, FLV, MKV, MEO, MP4, webcam, MWV. So for example I want to convert my video to MP4. So for that I will simply select here MP4. Now you guys can see the first one is MP4, so I will simply select the first one. Now here you guys can see 3GP and other things. So for example I will select the format that my video was. For example my video was in MOV, so I will simply select that. After that I will click on select file. Now here you guys will see photos and videos. So simply select the video that you want to convert. So once you convert it, after that click on convert and the conversion will be started. And once it's done you guys will see download option. Simply click on download option and that's it. So that's how you guys can convert video to MP4 in Android. Thanks for watching.